Once you've activated your mobile credential, it's time to put it to work. Let's talk about how you can use your PDK Mobile and Bluetooth credentials. There are two ways that you can use a PDK Mobile credential to gain entry or egress. The first option is to scan your mobile device at a Bluetooth-enabled reader. When you present your phone to a PDK reader, it will receive your credential information via Bluetooth communication and pass it on to the door controller, allowing the door to unlock. The second way to use your PDK mobile credential is through the push to open function. In the mobile access interface of the PDK Access app, you will see a list of doors in your system that you have been given permissions to. You can easily unlock a door by tapping its corresponding icon in the app. After you tap the icon, the door will momentarily be open, and the door's locked icon in the PDK Access app will briefly switch to an unlocked icon. After you pass through the entryway and it closes behind you, the door will become secured once again, and the door's in-app icon will switch back to the lock. The push to open function allows you to open doors from any location, making it easy to manage access to your system remotely. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.